Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Is it right, children? Okay. What we learnt in the last class? Yeah, very good. In the last class, we are knowing about our textbook. Is it right, children? Now, I hope all of you have textbook with you. Please keep it ready for the class, children. Today, we are going to start a new lesson. Children, have you observed what is the name of the first lesson? Yeah, very good. The first lesson name is Where to Look From. Is it okay, children? Don't open your textbook now. When I will tell, that time only you open your textbook. Okay, fine, children. Let's move to the lesson. Let us see, children, chapter number 1, Where to Look From. This chapter covered 4 topics. First one, different views of objects, patterns with dots. Third one, mirror house. Fourth one, dividing objects. In these 4 topics, today I will go with different views of objects. Before going to the topic, first we have to know about object. Do you know, children, what is object? Okay, I will explain, children. Object is a material thing which we see or sense. It means whatever see or touch, those things we call as objects. Now, let's go some examples for objects. See, children, so these all are the objects. What is the first one? Pencil. Very good. Second one, apple. Third one, book. Fourth one, bag. Fifth one, board. Very good, children. These are the examples of objects. You already know about this. These things we see also and we have to touch also. Now, tell me, children, what are the objects seen in your classroom? Yeah, very good, children. Desk, board. You are right. Now, I also mentioned some objects what you are see in a classroom. See, children, pencil, blackboard, calendar, glue, chair, stapler, bag, clips, pins, books, ruler, desk, notebook, scissors, calculator, compass, highlighter, sharpener, pencil case and eraser. These all the things we see in the classroom. Along with things, so many objects also we have to see. Now, let's move to the views of object. I hope you all are understood what is an object. Yeah, very good, children. So, later one activity will be there based on this topic. Okay, children? Okay. Now, let's move to the views of object. Before going to the observe some images. See, children, what is this image? Car. Very good. It's look nicely, no? Okay. Second one. See this? This is also a car. Third one. This is also a car. Now tell me, children, in the fourth picture what is there? This is also a images of car. What you observe in this picture? All the 4 images are there in this picture. Is it right, children? Okay. When we see all the 4 images together, you found that all are the images of a car. Then we came to know this, that one object may have different views from different sides. It depends on from where we look at that object, like ear, Is it right, children? One object may have a different views from different sides. Now let's move to the different views of various objects. See, children, different views objects, in that four views are there. First one is front view. It means the object look from front. Second one is side view. Which one we have to see from the side, that we have to call as side view. Third one is top view. Which one we see from the top, that we call as top view. And fourth one is back view. Which one we see from back side, that we call as back view. Normally in general life we use front view, side view and top view. But back view also use, but rarely we use in our normal life. Okay, let's move, children. Let's some more examples of views of object. Before going to that views, you have to remember two things. So first one is viewing objects in different views. It makes the object looks differently. All pictures not same, all are different when we see from different views. Second one is we can't conclude anything by seeing a one view of an object. These 2 points you should remember in your mind when you judge an object or consider an object. Is it right, children? Okay. Now let's move to the another some more examples. See, children, what is that? Stairs. You all of you seen stairs in your school, home, everywhere. Is it right, children? Okay. See, look at here, children. Here, stairs we view from in the side, so it look like this. This is a first one is a side view of stairs, which we can see from front. It look like front view. Second picture is show the front view. Now another one example. It is, what is this, children? Cooker. So most of all you seen in your home. See, children, the first picture shows the side view of a cooker. It means we look from side. And the second picture shows the top view of a cooker. It means we look from the top. Next. Now tell me, children, what is this? You assume it is your school bus. Now tell me, children, it is a which view of school bus? Yeah, very good. Front view of the school bus. Next, see, children, this one. This is the top view of the school bus. Yeah, very good. It is a side view of the school bus. Last one it is a back view of the school bus. I hope, children, you all are understood very nicely. It is the views of the object. So you should learn carefully and practice more in a home. In the next class, I will ask questions related to this topic. Is it okay, children? Okay. Now, I already told don't open your textbook. Now you will open your textbook. So see the page number 2, children. So in that, now it is a practice time. So you have to practice now. First, A, look at that A question. A cat is peeping into a classroom. Can you help her to find where are the teacher? Yeah, see, children, teacher is the first one. First only one desk is there, no? That is a teacher desk. Next, come to the down, children. B question. Here are some pictures. Find out from where you have to look to see the things this way. Here also given staircase, children. The first staircase is which view? Side view. Very good. Second staircase is front view. Very good. And third one is table. It is a which look, children? Yeah, it is a top view. And chair is also a side view. And look at here, children, fifth one, it looks different. It is a pencil. Have you seen this type of pencil? Yeah, you take your pencil and you observe from the top of the pencil, it look like this. It is a top view of pencil. Next, last one is bus. It is a side view of bus. Next, see one, children. Draw top views of a few things and ask your friends to guess what they are. This is, you only try it, children. Now you all are staying in home. Maybe you don't have friends. So you only draw the some top view things. So ask your parents or brothers and sisters to tell the what is the view of that object. Is it fine, children? Okay. I hope, children, you all know about what is the views of objects. Now I will give one activity for you. Children, list out any 20 objects you are seeing in your surrounding, and all of you should do your homework and post it to my personal number. Who are doing the homework, I'll give stars for them. So all of you should try to do this homework. I hope you all of you do the homework. Thank you, children. We will see in the next class. Okay, bye, children.